Oi, Gio! Wait, Gio. Why you walking around the rig with the soil latte? The rods are stuck, the pump's blown up, and you're asking if we've seen any interesting lithology. Yeah, nah, here he comes again. Ratchet Gio in the Hilux, aircon on 10. Whole crew covered in mud and grime. Gio's got moisturizer and a sample line.
Oi mate, where'd you go? Just checking grades.
Been missing since Mogo. Ratchet Gio.
Oi mate, what'd you find?
Potential mineralization.
It's sweet.
But where's my sample line? Ratchet Gio reckons he's hard. Never seen him further than 50 from the car. Got designer sunnies and a spotless vest. Dust on his boots, yeah, nah, not yet. Talking about faults and structures all day. Can't reverse a trailer to save his life, hey. Says the geology's complex, boys. We're just trying to find the bloody tools. Every smoke hole,
Interesting results.
every driller's thinking.
Here he fucking goes.
Every shift,
One more hole.
been saying that for 6 months, though. One more hole. That's what the Ratchet Gio says. Then he disappears for 3 hours straight. He'll be flirting with the camp chef. Ratchet Gio. One more hole. Every single day, drillers wanna go home.
Gio says nah.
Extend the tray. Walking around saying that's highly anomalous. Brother, we're drilling dirt, why you acting like a prophet? Ask if we seen visible gold. Crew says nah, mate. Gio says who? Pulls out a hand lens, looking real intense. Turns out it was bloody pyrite again.
Can we get another sample?
Can we get another meter?
Can we get another hole?
Can we stay back till Easter? Flipboard warrior king hasn't touched a shovel, but he's running everything.
Love saying interesting.
When the RC comes back, shit, suddenly he ain't listening.
Aircon set to low.
Crews busting their ass.
Gio scrolling his phone.
Yeah, nah. Ratchet Gio asked for 10 more meters at the end of shift.